Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to open a Starlink bank account right from your phone. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Starlink Bank and download the app. Open the app and tap Get Started at the bottom of the screen. Select Open a new account, then choose the account type you want, like personal, business, or joint. For this tutorial, we'll select personal. Tap Apply now and review the quick overview of what Starling offers. Then tap Start Application. Enter your phone number and tap Next. Then fill in your personal details like name, date of birth, address, and any other requested information. The app will ask you to verify your identity by uploading a photo and may check your details with a credit reference agency. Once done, your application is submitted and Starling will notify you if anything else is needed. And that's it. That's how to open a Starling Bank account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.